But this Tiger 3 flies like a champ. 91 OS engine, DX9 transmitter. Bob G at the controls. He's a cool dude, man. Yeah. He's still on, right?
Yeah, you better not forget.
About 1 minute. Always have reserve. Here we go.
Go.
You still see, okay. Yeah, I must have shut it off for you by accident.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna land then.
Okay, go ahead. Not easy.
How you like that, my friend? Now we got it. Now we got it. Look at you. Look at you. Look at the photographer here. Okay, we shut him off. This is good. Okay, great. This is Bob G. and your name, sir?
L.
L. All right, L. All right, L is the photographer. He did a great job, didn't he, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, sir. He sure did. All right. Look at this guy. What's the pilot's name?
Cisco.
Cisco. All right, good. We got him. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.